Hello, my name is Mark Puccinelli. I'm one of the senior technicians at TransGo, and today we're going to be talking about vent leaks on the 5R110 pump. Quite often these vehicles come in with 70,000 miles or better, and under a high load condition, pulling a trailer or a boat, they'll start belching oil out of the front end of the transmission, and it's coming from the vent circuit. What happens is the pump surfaces become distorted, and it allows line pressure to get into the vent circuit and then leak. What we have done to address that problem is a real simple solution. You bolt the jig plate on, drill a small hole, plug the old vent circuit with this plug, and it's fixed. Again, this is Mark. Thank you for watching.